Right, now folks, we've got like the rare snoring hobbit right now. You never ever know what a rare specimen this is going to be. You're going to be very delighted to see this. Just have a listen to the rare snoring hobbit. Now just listen to how she snores sometimes. I'd say she's been like hibernation for maybe 8 to 12 weeks right now. She should be waking up very soon, so we've got to be very scarce about how we get this. What we need to do here is we can't make sudden movements right now, because we startle her, she'll get up and she might kill her young. So we've got to tread very carefully now as we leave the snoring hobbit. I'm Gabby P. Over and out.